Here I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll, find and pick display, here it is, and now go to the wallpaper tab. Now just select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. You can pick it either from your gallery or one from the wallpapers, and the second option is the one for me. And as you can see, you can pick some lock screen or home screen wallpaper. Let's start with lock screen wallpaper. You can come along with all of them and pick the one that you like the most. So it can be, for example, this one. Tap on apply. And that's it. Your lock screen has been changed. And now let me update home screen also. And I will choose, for example, this one. Now click on apply. And that's it. As you can see now, both your lock screen and also home screen have been changed, so this is how you can smoothly and easily refresh your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.